Welcome to Stay Brainy, Stay Curious. In today's video, we're going to tackle a GCSE level math problem that requires your knowledge of various circle theorems. As you can see, ADE and ABF are two triangles. Angle AED is 46 degrees and angle BFA is 42 degrees. What is the size of angle X? Let's start by identifying various shapes within this image. First, we notice the quadrilateral ABCD, which is inscribed inside the circle. One of its angles is angle X, which means that this shape might come in handy. Next, we recognize the two triangles and label their angles. For triangle ABF, we're given angle BFA, which is 42 degrees. As for the remaining angles, we're just going to label them lowercase a and lowercase e. Similarly, in triangle ADE, we're given angle AED, which is 46 degrees, and let's label the remaining angles lowercase c and lowercase e. As you can see, the two triangles share angle E at point A. Alright, now let's put all of that info together. The three polygons at play are triangle ADE, triangle ABF, and quadrilateral ABCD. What angle rules can we apply here? First of all, remember that the sum of all interior angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So according to that rule, angles E, A, X, and C must add up to 360 degrees. Additionally, the sum of all angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. So angle E plus 42 degrees plus angle A must equal 180 degrees. We can mirror that same reasoning for triangle ADE. So E plus 46 plus C equals 180. Looking at these three equations, we can spot a few things in common. For example, 360 is double of 180. Angles A, E, and C are present in all equations in some capacity, with only X, our unknown, being the odd one out. What if we added the two equations for the triangles together? We'd have 2E plus 88 degrees plus A plus C equals 360 degrees. Well, if this equation equals 360 and the first equation is also equal to 360, we can create a new equality. We can say that 2E plus 88 plus A plus C equals E plus A plus X plus C. Angles A and C cancel out on both sides, leaving us with 2E plus 88 equals E plus X. That means X equals to E plus 88. Now, the toughest part. The trick here is to recognize some important circle theorems. One such theorem states that when two angles are subtended by the same arc, the angle at the center of a circle is twice the angle at the circumference. That means if angle DAB, which is at the circumference, is E, then the angle at the center must equal 2E. Similarly, looking at angle X, which lies on the circumference, we can deduce that the angle at the center, which shares the same arc, must be 2X. Now that we know that, notice that 2X plus 2E equals a full 360 degrees. Let's write that down. Well, what do you know? We have two equations with two of the same variables. We can easily solve for the two variables now. We can simplify 2E plus 2X equals 360 down to E plus X equals 180, basically dividing both sides by 2. That means E equals 180 minus X. Plug this in for the E in the first equation. Now we've got 180 minus X plus 88 equals X. That's 2X equals 268, which means that 1X is equal to 134 degrees. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your questions or topic requests. I hope you learned something new, I hope you had fun, and I hope you always stay brainy. See you in the next one.